This is a tutorial to go over how to create custom import format that you can use to import data to your server. We are here in the main dashboard, but we are going to start by creating a new list. To do that, you go to Mailing Lists, Create New List. If you already have an existing list set up, that's fine as well. For today, we will call this Format List and hit Create Mailing List. After we create this, we will see this is the selected mailing list, although you can choose any list on the server for this. To set up our format, we go to Settings, Manage Custom Fields. Here we're going to tell the software what specific fields we have in our dataset. I have a sample dataset right here. You can see I have labels at the top. First name, email, source IP, source timestamp, industry, interest, source, and tracking number. A lot of these are preset, and the software will already know, but I do have a few that are special, including industry, interest, and tracking number. So I'm just going to go ahead and make these my next available custom data fields. You can also overwrite any existing data fields. For example, we don't have address, so we could change that, but because we don't need any extra fields for today, we will just go ahead and make them the next available fields. Now that I have industry, interest, and tracking number here, I'm going to hit Save. Now that the fields are labeled, the format should be created. This is under Settings, Import-Export Format. From this page, you can see there are a lot of existing formats already in place, including an extra custom one. Go ahead and click on Create New Format. You can use these on any future imports to any list to specify what your data looks like. We can give this a name. For today, we will just call this Format Sample. This will make it so you can always remember, okay, I need to set the Format Sample format. And now we just need to make it match. You can see we have three parts here. We have what is enclosed by, for example, quotes, which we have here. What fields we have, and the separator. In this case, I have the CSV file, so my separator is always a comma. In some cases, you may have a space, semicolon, tab, etc. Now we just need to line these up and go ahead and make them match. We have first name, email, source IP, source timestamp, industry, interests, source URL, and tracking number. All of these are separated with a comma, which is good, but I do need to tell the software that my interest is contained in quotes. We will find interest here, make it contained in quotes, and then hit Save. Now you can see that I have this label format to use on my import. Let's go ahead and import our subscribers. We go to Subscriber, Import Subscribers. We are already on the right list, and we are going to change this existing import to the one we just made, Format Sample here. Copy all the data and paste it in the text box and hit Finish. You can see that the software has found 5 good emails which matched here. The one file format was actually this first line right here, which is of course not a real data set, but just a label. That is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.